So I wanted to throw one of these little darts out of the tiny whipper. That's how big the darts are. It's a marble compared to a marble, really small. They're like I think they're 3 grams, 3.5 grams. Where are we aiming at? I guess we're aiming at the wall over there, kind of right at the shadow. All right, 3, 2, 1, fire. I think it's stuck. Yeah, so success. Ta-da! It's like 15, 16 feet. First shot. Bam.